Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we unravel the magic behind the products you love and uncover what truly works. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to brighten, smooth, and correct, the iredale Enlighten Plus Under-Eye Concealer. Lightweight, full coverage, and packed with SPF, this cream concealer aims to tackle dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, all while blending seamlessly into your skin. Right off the bat, the packaging feels luxurious yet practical. A sleek tube that's easy to apply and perfect for tossing into your makeup bag. The formula is a creamy, satin finish that claims to suit all skin types, and I tested it in the shade number 2, which matched my skin beautifully. It's infused with SPF, which is always a bonus for delicate under-eye skin, and the texture is designed to smooth while providing full coverage without caking or settling into fine lines. Using this concealer was a smooth experience. It glided effortlessly under the eyes and blended beautifully with my fingers and brush alike. I noticed an immediate brightening effect, and the lightweight formula didn't feel heavy or mask-like. I tested it over several days, applying in the morning before heading out and setting it with a light powder. Even after hours of wear, the concealer stayed in place, didn't crease excessively, and kept my under eyes looking refreshed. It's impressive how it balances coverage with comfort, giving a natural yet polished look. Pros? The full coverage is remarkable for a lightweight formula. It brightens the under eye area without feeling thick, and the satin finish is incredibly flattering. The SPF adds another layer of skin protection, which is thoughtful for everyday wear. On the flip side, it's not the most budget-friendly option, and the color range is somewhat limited, which could make finding an exact match challenging for deeper skin tones. In terms of value, this concealer is on the higher end, but for the performance and multitasking benefits, brightening, smoothing, SPF, it's justifiable for those seeking a premium under-eye solution. Compared to similar concealers, it stands out for its lightweight yet full coverage formula and SPF inclusion, though other brands may offer broader shade ranges at a slightly lower price point. The tube is durable, easy to use, and travel-friendly, with no complaints about build quality. Longevity-wise, I found it held up well over a standard workday, maintaining both coverage and comfort. Customer support for iredale has a solid reputation, and while I haven't had to contact them directly, their transparency about ingredients and product safety is reassuring. If you're looking for alternatives, some mid-range concealers might provide similar brightening and smoothing effects at a lower cost, but they often lack the SPF protection or silky texture that sets this one apart. In the end, the iredale Enlighten Plus Under-Eye Concealer delivers exactly what it promises: brightening, depuffing, smoothing, and full coverage without feeling heavy. It's especially suited for anyone dealing with dark circles or fine lines and who wants a reliable, skin-friendly formula. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this concealer, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.